When you plan to travel fly to another country with your drone, always check the drone regulations of the country you are planning to travel to. Me and my family decided to go to the Dominican Republic for vacations. I spent 12 days over there and just wanted to enjoy the view, enjoy the landscapes, enjoy the beach and stuff. I decided to bring my DJI Avata because last year I was in the Caribbean as well and I brought my DJI FPV, but I have only tested my DJI Avata where I live, so it was a good opportunity to bring it with me. I started checking informations on the internet, on YouTube, and everyone say that before you enter the Dominican Republic, this government is very tough, with drone pilots, and you need to ask for authorization, and it will take days and weeks and months before you can get an authorization. And if you don't have that, when you sneak through the customs, they will keep your drone and you will cry and stuff like that. So I checked on the internet and everyone on the internet say the same thing. You need to send an email to www.idac.gov.do/en/. So this is what I did. I'm just going to explain to you what happened to me. So as far as I can remember, I think I sent them an email 1 or 2 days before I come to the Dominican Republic. Here is how it goes. Hello, I'm traveling to the Dominican Republic in 2 days. I wanted to know if I can bring a drone. What is the policy regarding to this? 15 minutes after, I got an email from them. Hello, in order for us to continue with your request, you need to fill some requirement for us to supply you with your permit or authorization for you to be able to fly your drone in the Dominican Republic. So they asked me 4 things: print screen of the location where I plan to fly my drone. They sent me a form that I need to complete, and they asked me to make sure that I write the correct coordinates of the location where I plan to fly my drone, copy of registration of RPAS, don't even know what that is, and copy of the operative license of RPAS. I think it might be them asking me if I have already a license in the country where I'm from, to just put a copy of it when I send them back the email. At the end, if in your country it's not necessary to have a license or registration, please add a proof of that. So they sent me a form. Basically what you need to do is just fill out all the empty fields as much as you can, because there were several of them where I could not fill them out because I didn't know what it was about. So I replied to them the day after. I attached a print screen of the location where I wanted to fly my drone because I had seen it on the internet. It's a beautiful island called La Isla Saona. I've added the form in attachment, registration copy and attachment, and I just added that. Please, I'm traveling tomorrow. Give me that authorization. They replied to me, good morning, your permit is in process. Okay, and a few hours later, I got an email from them. Buenas tardes, adjunto se encuentra su permiso de drone. I think it means good evening, here is your drone authorization. So I got the authorization, and the way I see it, I think, they sent me 2 versions of it, one in Spanish and one in English. This is not a drone authorization per se. I mean, it is, but I think it's just a paper that reminds me of what the law is over there and asking me to respect the law. So if I fly my drone and the police wants to control me, I'm able to show this paper and I'll be like, people, I'm respecting the law. I can hand them this authorization and this way they will leave me alone. Doesn't look like a special authorization. It just reminds me of the rules. So go enjoy my drone flights at La Isla Saona. Cheers.